Hello guys, Dennis here again. I hope you guys are doing very well. On this video, I will show you the basic understanding of how to go backwards or how to reverse. This is a very short video. This is for the new drivers, for students who just learned how to drive. This is a very basic of how you reverse, how you steer before you go out of the parking lot, when you're reversing, when you're doing maneuvers, or you're doing parallel parking or reverse parking. This is a very basic foundation of those. So before we go to the videos, I want you guys to, if you haven't subscribed on my channel yet, please do subscribe. And for those who subscribed, I thank you so much. So I can build more videos and help other people or other students learn how to drive safely. All right, so let's not get this longer. Let's go to the video. Enjoy the video and always take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Okay, let's look at this video, guys. So look at my steering wheel. I will steer to the right and watch the car move backwards to the right. It's pretty straightforward, okay, very basic. And I'm just going to straighten out my car again, and let's do it on the other side. Okay, so look at my steering wheel. I'm going to turn my steering wheel to the left, and the car start moving backwards, going to the left. Okay, so that's very basic. So remember this, and when you are parking or doing maneuvers, you will be able to figure it out. Okay guys, let's watch this example here. So I'm very far from the left, so I'm going to steer to the left, and my car will move to the left, and it will go closer to the left line. Okay, so when you are doing parallel parking and you came across on this situation, then you will know what to do. It's just practice, but learning the basic will help you a lot. Okay guys, let's try on the other side. As you can see, I'm far from the right side, so I'm turning my steering wheel to the right. And as you can see, my car is going to the right, getting closer to the line. And then I started straightening it up slowly and then finish my parking. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's very short, but if you do like the video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so when I drop down a video, you could watch it. And please share it to others who needs it. And again, thank you so much for watching. Always take care, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.